Hello there, today I'm going to talk about another extension. It's called Wondertab. Wondertab is a minimalistic extension to make your new tabs along with lovely useful features such as weather wizard, to-do list, bookmarks, group, and many more. Turn your new tab page into a useful customized dashboard. So for this, add to your extension in Google Chrome. So this is the icon you can see. Wondertab has been added to your Chrome, and after clicking that you can see the tab option here, and this is already called on the tab. So here you can see the weather wizard and the Google search option, and here by clicking here you can change your wallpaper too. It's taking time. Well, it's moving, that means it's going to be changed. Okay, so about clicking here you can also make your own tab here. Like I'm going to click here www.facebook.com. so see here the address has come and I'm going to save it. So like this you can also more save like here. So this is how it actually work, and this is how you can decorate your own the tab. So thank you for watching.